One eternity later.
Alright, so some background on what I'm going to be doing while I'm living in this car. I've saved up about 6 months of living expenses, and instead of investing it or doing some other smart things with the money, I am going to be traveling around the US, visiting national parks to hike and car camp out of, to save on hotel costs. I haven't done much planning, so I'm going to kind of figure it out as I go and see how far the electric charging network can take me. I'm definitely not an outdoors expert, so I'm planning on trying to shower most every day, but we'll see if that changes in time. I'm aiming for about 1 meal at a restaurant per day or two to keep costs down. The rest of my food will probably be granola bars, PB&J, fruit, and lots of good old whey.
Yeah, that fits.